Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to generate income using trending problems. So what do I mean by trending problems? So watch me as I explain to you step by step. What I mean is, when you go to Google now and you type yeast and you type, let's say, infection, let's scroll down, infectious drugs in women, infection, and let's even infection symptoms. You can see this is what people are actually typing on Google. They want to know more about. All right, so there are many infections that are out there, but I'm going to give you a strategy now that's going to help you to generate at least $70 in the next 1 week. So let's go into the video now. So let's see one common infection women face: yeast infection in women. All right, so you're going to sell a product to these people, and don't worry, you're not going to run adverts, you're not going to do any of the stuff. All you need is to recommend product to these women, and they are going to pay you for it. And don't worry about product. You are going to be given a product from Yazing. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is, let's go to ChatGPT. Where's my ChatGPT? So what's the first thing you're going to do? The first thing you're going to do is to pick a product. So let's go to Yazing. Let me go to my Yazing. So this is my Yazing account, and let's go to look for health and beauty. All right, this is health and beauty. You can see there are different products you can pick from here about health, and if you go through, you will see any product of your choice. Look at, I think this product is for people that are using eyeglass, stuff like that. So 10x health, blah blah blah. So you can pick any of the health product, but you narrow it down to infection. There are many products you can pick from. All right, so I'm just showing you how to get it. So what you're going to do, once you have gotten it, so let's go to Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Or so it's my Facebook account. Then you go to group. Then you go to natural, herbal, and spiritual remedy. You can type any. You can go to any group, maybe group about weight loss if you are selling for weight loss, and group about anything. But let's go to remedy. All right. Herbal remedy. You can see. Let's scroll down and see what people are actually doing here. Okay. You can see this one posted about fertility leaves. So this one posted about fertility leaves. You can see this person say thanks a lot. All right, so and the person explaining. So you are not, what are you going to do now? So you're going to post about your own. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, please give us post we can use on Facebook group to generate customers about yeast infection. All right, so let's type it. Let's go with it. All right, so we're going to take ChatGPT again. Give us 5 example. Give us 5 example of the post. All right, it's loading. Let's wait. All right, you can see something like this. You will copy it. So when you copy it, when you copy it, then you go to Google. And type yeast infection in women. Then you narrow it down by image. So you narrow it down by image. You can copy any of this image. How vagina yeast infection affect the body. Okay, you can copy this one. Then you go back to the group again. You go back to the group and post it. you go back to the group and post both the image and the text. Don't add your link, okay? Don't add your link. So when they are interested and they say they are interested, you direct them to your inbox or you direct them to your WhatsApp. So that is where you send them the link. You can explain it to them. Then you send them the link. If you don't know how to explain it to them, you can go back to ChatGPT. Please give me a WhatsApp script for this. Let's see. Okay, ChatGPT is writing it. You can see, all right. ChatGPT is writing it. You can take your time to command ChatGPT to give you, depending on the one you want. But based on this video, let's go back. Since you have already know what you're gonna do. So when you post it, will come to your inbox. You can see this is my business WhatsApp. But when you see this one is perfectly for selling of product like this. All right, you can see you can go to Google and look for any application. You can duplicate your WhatsApp if you have another WhatsApp number, all those kind of stuff. So it is not good to be doing the same business in one same place. All right, this is a very simple strategy. All right, so this is exactly how it works if you want to be generating at least. And the most important thing, you can, when you are confused, you can ask ChatGPT on this page to be guiding you and giving you the next step. All right, hope you understand now. Have a wonderful time. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a subscribe. All right, have a nice day.